I hope it does it.
Yep, there it goes.
We're gonna spend the whole lesson with the bird and Claire. That's hilarious. I don't think it finds you threatening anymore, Claire. I think it's like figured out that we're just using it for entertainment.